In this tutorial, you'll learn how to efficiently add a Figma prototype to your Behance portfolio. First, select the page you want to share in Figma. Then, click the Share button to begin generating an embed code. Next, choose the Get Embed Code option from the dropdown and copy it to your clipboard for later use. Close the Browser tab if you wish to switch over to your Behance project. On Behance, select the Project option from the dropdown, then click the Embed button to start adding your Figma content. Paste the embed code into the field and copy it if needed for additional placements or for backup. Click the Embed button to insert your Figma prototype into your Behance project. After embedding, select any product card or text box as needed to add details or finalize your project presentation. You've successfully learned how to embed your Figma prototype in Behance. Thank you for watching.